Welcome to the Piermont by Carlisle Homes. This home features the RIVIERA facade and is part of Carlisle's award-winning T range, which offers practical and affordable homes for family living. The Piermont is available in a range of sizes to suit everyone. Nestled at the front of the Piermont is the master suite, tucked away from the active areas of the home. It features a glamorous ensuite with dual vanities and a large walk-in robe. Further inside the Piermont is the central and secluded theatre room. This is a great versatile space, perfect for the family movie night or a handy light-filled daytime room. The clever kitchen looks out over to the meals area and casual living areas. The central island bench, modern kitchen and walk-in pantry means the kitchen will be a delight for any budding chef. The living area feels like a room of its own, with direct access to the outdoor living alfresco, and connection to the kitchen and meals hub. This space allows lots of room for everyone to stretch out and relax. Zoned away from the central areas is a dedicated kids wing. 3 large bedrooms and a family bathroom surround a private activity area, ideal to prevent the kids' toys and games from taking over the home. Continuing the theme of clever design features throughout, a study nook space completes this kids' activity and sleep zone. Offering a quiet space to do homework or relax, everything has been thought of in this home. Carlisle is proud to have won the prestigious HIA Victorian Professional Major Builder Award yet again. Discover why life's better with Victoria's Best Builder.